Alrighty, Dan, here's another one of your 427 small up Ford. Gives you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. This is the carburetor version. Edelbrock air gap. Quick fuel 750 MSD Pro Billet. It's got our front end on it. What's up, wall pan? Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400 and 540 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 551, peak horsepower 531. We're at 520, it's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. Makes tremendous torque. That's the air gap. It's a good little combination. We'll do now is pull the bike back, make sure it's good and clean, and I'll show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you see your engine, find a single looks like a credit card. It is a USB card full of technical information. Dyno video, dyno specs, engine build specs, a lot of technical stuff, so highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag here. It'll have the engine number, some other specifications. That engine number is the easiest way for us to give you any information. Flip it over, be this UR code, hover over, click on it, it'll go take you to our tech site. There again, full of information. Highly recommend watch all this, make your installation a lot better. Have a great day.